NordVPN tutorial, how to get started with NordVPN setup tutorials. NordVPN offers setup tutorials for various devices, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, routers, and smart TVs. These guides provide step-by-step instructions to help users configure NordVPN for secure browsing, streaming, and privacy protection. Getting started with NordVPN setup tutorials. 1. Visit the official NordVPN setup guide. You can find detailed tutorials here. https://support.nordvpn.com/hc/n-us/section/1932647498929-nordvpn-setup-tutorials. 2. Choose your device. Select the guide for Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, routers, or smart TVs. 3. Follow the installation steps. Each tutorial includes download links, configuration settings, and troubleshooting tips. 4. Test your connection. After setup, verify your VPN connection to ensure privacy and security. Popular NordVPN setup tutorials. Installing NordVPN on Windows 10 and 11. Step-by-step instructions here. https://support.nordvpn.com/hc/n-us/article/1947203025169-installing-n-Windows-10-and-11. Setting up NordVPN on a router. Learn how to configure NordVPN on supported routers here. https://support.nordvpn.com/hc/n-us 1942608471865-setting-up-a-router-with-NordVPN. Using NordVPN on smart TVs and consoles. Find setup guides for Android TV, Fire TV, and more here. https://support.nordvpn.com/hc/n-us/section/193264741989299-nordvpn-setup-tutorials.